Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're speaking all things court. Namhlanje bekuphanjwana emankantolo ezinkantolo. Kubhekiswa le kuya le nale nale. So I think okay, first things first, please ngicela mangabe uzokwazi ukulalela ivideo uzama ukuthi uyibuke uphinde upresse ulike kumahhala nganza kwethu badla sengiyancenga ke manje nibuka ama advert noma ungabuka eyodwa noma amabili, just how you going to support us ukuze siqhubeke sinilethele indaba. So I think you all remember the kids, school kids ezu-14 lezi ezashona ne. Yep. Kwaseke kuboshwa-ke udriver-ke igama lakhe kwaku-Andile Biggie Dludla, and he's only 22 years old, inkosi yami bakade guys. And lentuzane yenzeka lapha, ingozi yenzeka Vanderpark. Guys, I'm solo, I can't pronounce amanye amagama segole kahle, but it's a Vanderpark where ingane ezu-14 ezashona, and sabona abazali bekhala behayiza. Hey, kupsapho sazihamba esikoleni. So ayenda-ke inkosi yami ubevele okwesibili namhlanje enkantolo, usacela yona ibail ne. Usazocela yona ibail, akukho kunye, and umeli wakhe la uzomuzwa-ke ekhuluma esho ukuthi no banokuba disappointed a bit. Imetha yakhe-ke iphinde yapostponelwa April mhlaka 22, and base bethe kudludla cha baba ake uhlale nje ngaphakathi esitokisini uqhubeke khona, sizoze sikutshele-ke sibonane ngomhlaka 22 ukuze sikutshele ukuthi ngempela ngabe siyakukhipha yini noma asikukhiphi lana enkantolo. Sohlala-ke inkosi yami uboy athi nje ukudodla kuthiweni uyabhudla adodle ejele, adudle ejele, usazodudla nje ejele ngomhla kuhlelo uzoshawa umhlaka 22 kuyimayimetha yakhe iziwa. Yeah, it was an incident, guys, and abantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi it was just an incident. Obviously akavukanga ekuseni wathi ufuna ukubulala ingane. And I don't remember twice speed futhi ngathi he was not even speeding that much, but maybe there's some issue with the car. So ayanda-ke usazohlala esitokisini-ke kuzokushaye umhlaka 22, then the matter will be heard. Abanye abantu abavelile futhi enkantolo namhlanje izingane zikaMogabe, remember ukuthi bekuthiwe laliposponiwe icase labo for today. Yep, babuyelile-ke namhlanje. Remember bebe-edelwe amacala ukuthi they are here illegal.
Thank you very much. Indeed, my client has opted to abandon. We are waiting for the investigations to be concluded so that we can really see what the docket contains before we can possibly decide on the bail application. But I must state that my client is very much remorseful of what happened on the day in question, and I understand that lives were lost, and as painful as it is, I've seen my client, I've seen the family of the victim. This is the one part perhaps where in the eyes of the law we have to balance a number of factors, both of the parents, the deceased, and my clients. My clients hold much faith in the rule of law more than anything at this stage, but he did express his wishes to be out, considering the fact that prison is not a nice place to be at because he's currently detained in prison. But all of that will be dealt with as and when we have read the docket, I've consulted with the client, and a decision will be taken from what's inside the docket on how we're going to proceed moving forward.
Is he going to plead legally and icala lokuzama ukubulala, icala lokudefeat the aims of justice because isibhama sikaze sitholakale. Icala labo-ke liphinde nabo-ke lihlekisiwe kwathiwa abaphinde bathi ukuhamba babuyele emakhaya because there is no electricity. Yeah, South Africa. I mean, obviously, I don't feel sorry for them, but I think, imagine sengihleli manje ngoba ngenxa yokuthi ugesi awukho, like no. So bathiwe-ke bona-ke inkantolo ibahlisele-ke icala labo, the incident le yenzeka lapha ngoFebruary lapho le ngikhuluma ngayo, icala labo-ke lehlisiwe nabo because there is no electricity today. Apparently there was no electricity in court, therefore bazokwazi ukuthi-ke baze babuyele sometime next week kuze kuzolungisa indaba kagesi ngoba ilokho. So icala lapha nje azange likhulunyiswe ukukhulunywa kwaziwa noma u-NPA ubu-ready noma ubungekho ready, simply because ukuthi ugesi uvele waphela. So therefore they remain in custody nabo until icala labo lize likwazi ukuthi likhulunywe at the end of the day. Helen Zileke ube sengena ngenxeba ke ngoba phela obviously she want to be a member of the, she want to be a mayor of the of Gauteng. Wathi nje yabona nje lento ukuthi wathi yabona nje lento ukuthi abantu bakwazi bangene he said nje she's very upset ukuthi nje icala lihlalanga namhlanje because this is not allowed. How uhlangana phe ngoba unandaba? It's not like she cares. She's just saying it for the fact ukuthi she wants to gain ama votes. That's it. Like, Helen, we see you. Another person okade senkantolo namhlanje yena bese Bethlehem iphoyisa elina 25 nkosiyami ithwala dlwengula ke mfundo waseTshwane University of Technology honor 23. So ke usergeant lona yena udedeliwe ngebail ke ka 1500 kwathiwa ke no sisazolizwa icala lakho ndoda silibhekisise kahle, but anyway for now you can go and think about what you did, and as inkantolo sizoke sikubise-ke sikufonele sikhulume nawe. So it was everything today, everything caught, and sizophinda sibuye-ke sizwe ukuthi-ke la macala aqhubeka kanjani. Please ungakhohlwa ukuthi upresse iscreen, upresse ulike, ucofe nje noma ushiye comment noma uzwe ukuthi-ke usitshele ukuthi ufila kanjani, ucabangani.